What's up, guys? Today we are printing some t-shirts for the Blue Diamond softball team. There are some state champion shirts. Looks like they had a successful year. So let's take a look how it's done.
I am cutting orders and working on a proof and entering more orders. Trying to multitask while I cut on multiple plotters today. Pretty busy.
You're not the Pope, and it's evident. So maybe you should let me be.
I am working on Heine's painting. They're just wanting to update their colors. They want it a little brighter than it was before, so I'm just working on updating that. And then they're also changing their phone number on the vans, so I need to update those as well. And then they're removing a slogan too. So I'm just changing it from what it was originally to what's new.
What are you working on, Jordan?
A bunch of numbers.
On a sponsor thank you signs we're going to do for Cindy Norman, which is her driver is Carson Macedo. Just a thank you she's going to hand out to her sponsors for the good season that they had. So right now I've been trying to search and find all of the different teams or all of the different sponsors that they have, which is quite a few. But trying to make it all fit onto this sign. It's gonna look pretty neat once it's done.
Can't you see that you cannot control the man I am? I am not a puppet on your string. So maybe you should check yourself before you tell me what you think of me. If I'm too hot to handle, baby, drop the heat, 'cause this is me. I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna do my thing.
Don't know that word. We are doing a trailer for Cajun. I don't even know how to say that one. Snacks? Snacks? Maybe it's a different way of saying snacks. Snowball trailer. Don't know how to say this. Basically, we're doing a food truck trailer thing. That no. Maybe you should ask Stace this question. Schmicks and snacks.
So that trailer that's back there,
Yep.
what is it?
It's a food trailer.
What's the name of it?
Snow and snacks, I think. Snow and snacks.